Hey, makers! Welcome to Manny Maker, your daily dose of DIY magic and creative inspiration. And guess what? We've got something super exciting to share with you today: Manny Maker memberships. What are memberships? They're a way for you to access our exclusive DIY content that also helps you grow, learn, and expand your creativity. What are the perks? As growth promoters, you'll get early access to all our DIY tutorials, crafting hacks, and creative challenges, before the rest of the world sees them. While as loyal promoters, you can also share your creations with our audience. Yes, you can feature your DIY videos right here on Manny Maker. Imagine your creativity inspiring thousands of fellow makers. So go ahead, hit that join button right next to the subscribe button, pick your tier, and let's build something amazing together.